Alright you guys, today we're going to be installing one of the Rancho rock gear skid plates for your axle differential. This one is pretty self-explanatory. There just wasn't a lot of pictures out there to see, so we're kind of going to go over it. We're going to start by taking out those 4 bolts, and then basically it bolts right up here. So we'll get that started and I'll show you what it looks like once it's on. So this is once it is on. As you can see, the front 2 bolts. You can kind of see the gapping that it allows. Very minimal. Tightening down the back U-bolt that goes up and across the back end, just to kind of make that nice and tight. I'll get a different angle due to that sun glare. You do still have the hole down below to drain the differential when you need to do a change, but obviously for adding it's going to be a little bit more difficult. And this is from the back side. It is a little difficult to get to, but you can see kind of looking down it. It is a very nice build, nice and thick. Should protect real well.